Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Buick Enclave's oil change light. After an oil change, it's important to reset the system so your vehicle accurately tracks the oil life. This simple procedure ensures your maintenance reminders are correct, helping you keep your engine in top condition. You can easily perform this reset yourself without needing any specialized equipment or a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. First, get into your Buick Enclave and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just make sure the dashboard lights are active. Next, find the information button on your steering wheel or dashboard. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options until you see the oil life remaining message. This display shows you the current percentage of your oil's life. Once you have the oil life remaining message visible, locate the SET/CLR button. This button is often found near the information button you just used. Press and hold the SET/CLR button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will see the oil life remaining display change, typically flashing, and then it will reset to 100%. Once it shows 100%, you can release the button. After releasing the button, double-check that your dashboard display now clearly shows oil life remaining 100%. This confirms the reset was successful. Finally, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. This action saves the new oil life setting into the system. Your Buick Enclave's oil life monitor is now accurately reset and ready to track your next oil change interval. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.